Here is literally every AI tool you need for your business, so you'll never have to watch another video about AI. First, you're going to need something to build automations and agents in so that you can automate your actual business and have AIs do the boring tasks for you. Here I suggest N8N because it is really good at coding agents that do different tasks autonomously or automations across various different areas of your business. It is extremely easy to use, and you can just go to a coding editor like Claude or even Claude Code to write these automations for you, so you don't even have to build them yourselves. Which brings us to the next point, where you have something to build apps or write code, whichever you need that in your business, or just writing the code for your automation. Here you can choose Claude Code, which is currently the best and the fastest developing, or Anti-Gravity if you want something that is more design focused and free to use. Then you will need something to create and to generate videos and images for your product pages, your social medias, and so on. Here I want you to use Higgsfield AI because this is a platform with image and video generation model as soon as they come out, and you can create multiple videos and images at the same time and then just choose the best one. For any APIs inside of your agents and automations, I recommend you use T-API. This is a platform which allows you to host any model out there with just one API, which makes this whole thing just way easier to use. For anything text related, so writing text, rewriting text, summarizing text, I recommend you use Claude. It is currently the best model, and I think it will continue to be so. And that is literally everything you need right now, and you will need in the future. So if you just focus on these, you will never be lost again.